Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 ways to make money online in 2022. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. For many people, figuring out how to make money online will be a top focus this year. It could be a side hustle to supplement your income or an entirely new business venture. Whatever the reason, there are numerous options accessible. For many of them, all you'll need is a smartphone and access to a reliable internet connection. Continue reading if you want to make some additional cash without breaking a sweat. I've compiled this comprehensive list of online money-making ideas and side gigs to save you time and hours of research. All you have to do now is set aside some time to view the video, and I'm confident you'll discover one or two that appeal to you. Number 10. Coaching via the internet. If you wanted it to, this is one opportunity that could eventually run itself. When you start a coaching program, you're laying the groundwork for a successful business. One of the major advantages of online teaching is that you can make a lot of money rapidly. For one-on-one or individualized programs, people are more likely to pay a premium fee. Shauna Recker, Tiffany Napper, and Christina Sambach are all successful online coaches. You must, however, conduct research on your target audience and determine what they want and require. Encouraging your customers to spread the news about your company will also be highly beneficial. A slew of coaching platforms have popped up, allowing you to build a highly scalable business model without sacrificing the quality of your coaching. Number 9. Become an Instagram influencer. Instagram is a social media platform that has been around for more than a decade. It has risen from humble beginnings to become one of the most popular social media sites. There were 1.16 billion Instagram users in the third quarter of 2020, according to estimates. It's free, which is one of the key reasons it's become so popular. It's simple to generate money on Instagram, but you'll need a large enough following to do it. There are businesses that are eager to compensate Instagram users. It could be for promoting a product or creating a blog post. Number 8. Make money online with Google AdSense. AdSense is a Google initiative that allows you to place advertisements on your website, YouTube videos, or blog. When someone clicks on the ad, you get compensated. The advertising are created by businesses utilizing the Google AdWords program, and you feed them with an AdSense code. If your website or blog is brand new, Google AdSense is one of the most cost-effective ways to make money. The program is free, and the prerequisites for participation are straightforward. You can choose from a variety of ad types, some of which you can tailor to match the feel and style of your site. Google makes payments to you via direct transfer once a month. You are not restricted to running advertisements on a single website. You can also run ads on RSS feeds and mobile devices. To put the advertising on your website, blog, or YouTube channel, you must meet particular Google standards. Number 7. Build and sell software. Building software and then selling it has numerous advantages. The initial costs, which include software development, might be rather significant. However, after you've manufactured your product, the cost of selling it is rather minimal. The cost of delivering the finished product to the buyer is minimal. You must have a strong understanding of programming as one of the most important requirements. A knowledgeable friend or relative could be a good option, as long as they don't want to overcharge for their services. It's also critical to develop software that customers desire to acquire. It should ideally be software that is unique, better than anything else now available, or at the absolute least, significantly less expensive. Although there is a vast amount of software available, there are still some niches to explore and challenges for which no one has found a solution. If you can figure out what they are, you might have a winner on your hands. Keep in mind that the development phase of your idea may take some time, so make sure you perform enough of research ahead to ensure there is a market for your product. Number 6. Launch and grow a startup. If you think you have what it takes to start a business, thanks to the internet, you have a lot of possibilities. The sky's the limit in terms of what you can accomplish if you have a computer and a stable internet connection. You don't need to be a tech whiz to start, launch, and expand your business. there are lots of useful tools available. All you have to do now is put in the effort and study what you need to know. Another significant advantage of beginning a new online business is that you can do so from any location on the planet. Because no one determines your schedule for you, you can work as little or as often as you like. It all depends on how quickly or successfully you want your company to grow. Number 5. Start an e-commerce site and sell physical products. E-commerce sites have exploded in popularity in recent years, and thanks to systems like WooCommerce and WordPress, it's never been easier to get started. Because so many brick-and-mortar establishments have had to close due to COVID, this option is expected to become more popular. Online buying is no longer considered a luxury. E-commerce barely accounted for 5.1% of overall retail sales a decade ago. Fast forward to 2019, and internet sales accounted for 21% of total sales. It is now a requirement for millions of individuals, thanks to COVID-19. You'll need a long-term vision and a product that adds actual value to the market for your e-commerce firm to be successful in the long run. Number 4. Create online courses. They appear on your Facebook news feed and in advertising when you search the internet. It seems like online classes are popping up everywhere these days, but it's not too late to join in. By 2025, the online education business is expected to be worth $350 billion. However, there is one stipulation. You'll need expertise that people will pay for. Online courses are a terrific possibility if you have what it takes. Number 3. Write and sell an ebook. If you've always wanted to write a book but have been putting it off for years, releasing an ebook could be the answer. You don't have to approach a publishing business if you want to publish a book because self-publishing is an alternative. Anyone can publish a book, and it is feasible to earn a livelihood doing so. Number 2. Sell stuff on Amazon FBA. Amazon is one of the most popular internet retailers. We've already discussed how to set up an e-commerce store, and this is a similar concept, except you'll be using Amazon's platform. It's a low-cost solution to transport your products while still allowing you to deliver exceptional customer support. Determine which products sell well on the site and hunt for cheaper alternatives that you can rename and resell. It doesn't get any easier than this when it comes to selling your home. Amazon receives your things and stores them in one of their fulfillment centers. Number 1. Freelance. Do you have a particular set of abilities? Is there anything you can accomplish for which people would be willing to pay money? There is a huge demand for freelancers right now. According to a recent poll conducted by People Per Hour, 60% of firms aim to use freelancers more this year. Being your own boss, however, is not as simple as it appears. Many sacrifices must be made, and you must put in a certain level of effort in order to find clients. All of this must be completed before you can begin working. If you want to be successful, you'll also need to learn specialized skills. You'll have to figure out how to advertise yourself, pitch potential clients, provide support, budget, and manage your time. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.